I mean, there's nowhere really to go.
Still there, hold your line.
I don't think.
Clear. You're going the wrong way.
Well, that didn't work, did it? It's just whether we can get around without getting taken out by anyone.
Still there. Still there. There's an incident ahead. Slow car ahead. Clear.
I couldn't really avoid him there. He was like blocking the whole bloody track. 0x, fortunately. I think I must have just touched him, but anyway. Yeah, it's getting slippery now. Oh, yeah. Yeah.
Slow car ahead. Car stop.
Here we go, then. Is this it? Is this the carnage starting?
You got a slow car on the left.
Let's get going.
Car on your left. Stay on the right. Clear on the left. Car right. Clear.
Oh, what a dickhead.
Clear on the left. Left side.
Okay, where's that guy going? He's got a good run.
Still there, hold your line. Clear on the left. Car on your left. Keep to the right.
Okay, lost a couple there.
Stay on the right.
Problem is, it's all about momentum.
Clear on the left. Right side. You're on the left. 3 wide. Clear.
And someone just pushed me off. It's very helpful.
You've got wheel damage. Looks like one of your wheels is out of alignment. You'll have less grip out there.
Right.
We've got green flag.
It's just getting around this first lap and over the mountain without getting involved in my own accident or anyone else's. That's the key.
What are you doing?
It's just this first lap getting over the mountain. That's the hard bit. If I can do that without incident, then I'll be very pleased. How I do it, I don't know. What I've been doing is not changing down until very late on, so I'm not locking the back brakes. Locking the back wheels. And the first lap, it's just very sketchy. It really is.
Slow car.
It gets better.
Go right. Go right.
I mean, yeah, no chance, is there? There's just no chance.